A little bit of physio in the morning. Best place to go to right here, Zone Physio. Hands down the best clinic out there. And also, the beautiful thing, dry needling. If anybody's done dry needling when you go to the physio, it is the best thing. I've done it all, like the massage, the chiro, just a regular physio with the exercise. I still get the exercise, but adding the dry needling in has been a game changer for me, because it just, acupuncture, it's just not quite aggressive enough, but that dry needling, look it up, it's by far the best thing. He just jabs everything, and I'm going to be sore all day today and tomorrow, but like the next day I feel like $1,000,000. I'm loose and limber. I'm ready to get some runs and some paint. Especially for all of the guys that have played hockey, like it's always hips, hip flexors, and kind of thoracic spine that is always just jammed up for me, for sure. But like my physio says the same thing. It's just anybody that really plays hockey, or even like the blue collar side of things, that's what's really, I know, tight on guys. So having that physio with the dry needle where he just jabs needles all through my neck and my back is probably the best thing ever. And then yeah, just doing your physio exercises is an important thing. So there's like a lot of twisting, thoracic spine movement, whatever, if I'm explaining it right enough. But yeah, imagine that you actually do your physio drills and you get better. Now, while we're on the topic of doing things to make yourself feel good and not be so jacked up, I got a friend that has this app called Mobility Movement, and it is a lifesaver. Just a whole bunch of videos of mobility work, and you follow along on your TV, on your phone, on your whatever. But that thing, the one that I like the most, it's like an active hip flow video, and it's called Keep. It's like 10 minutes long maybe, but like you can like search like, oh, my neck's banged up or my back or whatever, and you can search what is hurting your shoulder, and you can find a whole bunch of videos, and you can search even by times. If you have 10 minutes, put 10 minutes, half an hour to do something, half an hour. Yeah, it's definitely worth checking out, especially the blue collar boys out there who are just busy working all day and tired of being sore and kind of partially injured forever. First tri-coat since I got my U-hooked cup holders. I got the base coat in there, that's just the white, and I got my pearl loaded up right here, so I'm gonna get that on, dehydrated real good, and I'm not even gonna clean the gun. I never do, and I just slap the pearl straight into the gun and I keep going. But these are already coming in really handy. It's a great day to be a painter. For years, like years and years, pretty much when they came out with this color, I fought with it from day one. I really only figured it out from a couple of years ago. There's my De Beer. Yeah, I don't have the light on it, but a solid 9 out of 10. 800J. Second time spraying this color with the new system, I already figured it out. Man, that feels good. Too bad they discontinued this, because this one is a really nice match here. I wish I could do it more now. All the De Beer refinish sprayers. Variant 2, there's the formula number right there. Start with this. Pull out 10% of the white. So the 900, just pull 10% out, mix it as normal. Same pearl coat. Back-to-back pearl even. I guess the formula number, that is just for the ground coat here. But that's the ground coat. Variant 2, I believe they call it dirtier. That's the plate right there. Yeah, De Beer guys, don't worry about that. Oh yeah, this is what I like to see. Not a lot of clear wasted on that. That's all that's left from doing a bedside and a bumper. Pretty happy with that. Buy one of these guns and a light if you paint, or you know a painter. It's pretty cool. Finally got my last Gator wall target hung up. Probably gonna throw a few of these U-hook can holders up there. This is just meant to put some aerosols there. I'm gonna put it at the top, so I have this whole board to still do all that magnetic storage that I like. I've got a ton of paint guns and I love having a lot, but this is where it's going to come in handy. So here's how these things work. You pull that open, it pulls that magnet off the back. So when you lock it in like that, now it's flush, it'll actually stick on. When you lift that up, again, that pulls that magnet off the back so you can take it off. This one's a 25-pound magnet. It's plenty strong to hold my paint guns. And I might end up doing something similar to that. Really showcase the paint guns that I got if you walk in here. I'm gonna keep the guns on that wall, and I'm gonna change this up. An aerosol, the alcohol, it's what I use for a waterborne cleaner. Hold my tapes, whatever a pen is in there, my shaker lid, my list of stuff I might need, any batches of paint where I need to put that on the back of the spray card, I'll stick it right there. I'm liking that a lot more, but now I got this open space here. I feel like I need another one of those to go there, and I could figure something to hang up right there. Maybe some sort of basket, I don't know. If you have any ideas, let me know.